Are you frustrated by not being able to determine if a woman is interested in you? Do you find it difficult to discern whether her interest is genuine or if she's just being polite? For many men, interpreting a woman's true feelings can be a challenge, especially when they prefer to keep their real emotions hidden. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 10 clear signs that demonstrate when a woman is truly interested in you. It's crucial that you pay close attention to these cues, as today you might realize that you have caught the interest of a woman. Remember that at the end of this video, I will reveal the master trick, that burning secret everyone wants to know but few can handle. It's the ultimate sign that not only shows you if she likes you, but also puts you directly on her radar in a way you never imagined. Do you think you're ready for that? Stay until the end. This advice isn't for the faint-hearted. It could spark a flame that turns your casual encounters into something much more intense. Signal number 1. She makes an effort to look attractive when she's around you. If you notice a woman making a deliberate effort to look particularly attractive in your company, this is a significant indication of her interest. She might adjust her makeup style, carefully choose outfits that she knows will catch your eye, or change her hairstyle to highlight her beauty. These variations in her personal presentation are an expression of her intention to leave a favorable impression on you. This deliberate effort to enhance her appearance indicates that your perception matters to her and she wants to be seen positively by you. It's a subtle yet very meaningful way of communicating that you matter to her and she seeks to gain your attention and approval. By appreciating this effort on her part, you can deduce that there is genuine interest towards you and consider the possibility of advancing your relationship. It's crucial to bear in mind that while interpreting these signs of attraction is exciting, it's equally essential to respect her emotions and the natural development of the bond between both of you. Signal number 2. She remembers the smallest details. Interest in the small details of your conversations and shared experiences can be a clear sign of genuine attraction from a woman. The fact that she brings up aspects you've mentioned before, from personal stories to your preferences or even jokes, indicates that she's investing her time and energy in understanding you better. Her ability to remember those little details suggests a clear interest in forging more meaningful bonds with you. Noticing your likes and peculiarities shows her determination to deepen the connection and build a true and significant relationship. While it may seem like a subtle gesture, it's a direct manifestation of her desire to establish a strong emotional bond with you and her openness to exploring a future together beyond mere friendship. Signal number 3. Her face lights up with a smile every time she sees you. A smile can act as a mirror of someone's authentic feelings. If you notice that she gives you a smile every time you cross paths, this is a clear indication. That spontaneous smile is a sign that she might feel a strong attraction towards you, even if she may not feel ready to openly declare her feelings yet. This act becomes more significant if she believes she's not up to your standards or has certain doubts about herself. With her smile, she aims to appear friendly and open to future closeness, leaving the door open for you to take the first step. Signal number 4. She exposes her neck in public places. Although this might seem strange at first glance, this behavior is deeply rooted in human psychology and body language. By exposing her neck in your presence, a woman is conveying delicate yet deeply significant signals of her interest. This area of the body is particularly vulnerable, and its display can be seen as a sign of trust and openness to emotional connection. Small gestures like subtly tilting her head, opting for clothing that accentuates the neck region, or allowing her hair to fall over it are unconscious displays of her attraction and interest in deepening the relationship with you. Signal number 5. She moistens her lips. Observing a woman licking her lips can be a subtle indicator of interest. This gesture, which may seem casual at first glance, is often an unconscious signal that she might be attracted to you. Moistening the lips can be a natural reaction to a feeling of anticipation or interest, and doing so in your presence could suggest that there is an attraction she prefers to keep discreet. This act can also be a way to direct attention to her mouth, acting as an unintentional form of nonverbal communication. However, it's important to consider this gesture in the context of other body language signals and behavior. If this behavior is observed along with other indicators of interest, it could be an important clue about her feelings towards you, always maintaining a respectful approach and adhering to social norms in any setting. Signal number 6. She seeks to capture your attention in various ways. When a woman makes obvious efforts to capture your interest in different circumstances, she is clearly expressing her attraction towards you. She might use humor to make you laugh, narrate fascinating stories that she knows will catch your attention, or engage in dynamic conversations in your presence. These intentional actions to stand out and capture your attention suggest that she is looking to establish a more intimate bond with you. While she may not openly declare her interest, these behaviors indicate that she cares about the impression she makes on you and is willing to invest time and effort to captivate you. Noticing these kinds of behaviors repeatedly in different contexts and scenarios can give you a deeper understanding of her true interest in you. Her effort to attract your attention reveals her desire to forge a special connection and deepen the emotional bond with you. By appreciating and responding to these attempts at connection, you can strengthen the relationship and pave the way towards a shared future. Signal number 7. She shows obvious signs of nervousness. When a woman displays obvious signs of nervousness around you, it can offer a glimpse into her deeper feelings. Nervousness can manifest in various ways, such as trembling hands, difficulty speaking fluently, or a voice that breaks. If you notice her behaving anxiously, like repeatedly touching her hair or face, it's a fairly clear sign. These manifestations of anxiety may suggest that you hold a special place in her consideration, even though she may try to disguise that interest. The appearance of some degree of unease can be a sign that she cares about your impressions of her and wants to leave a good impression. It's crucial to observe her behavior comprehensively and consider the context to avoid misinterpreting her nervousness, but if it appears alongside other signs that she likes you, it could be a significant indication of her feelings for you. Signal number 8. Welcoming body language. Examining her nonverbal communication can offer important clues about what she really wants to convey. The presence of welcoming body language when you're around indicates subtle signs of her interest in deepening the relationship. Attitudes such as keeping her arms loose instead of crossed, leaning towards you while conversing, or positioning her feet towards you are indications that she is open to interacting and wants to show her inclination towards you. Although these gestures may be automatic, they act as a means to express that she is attracted to you and is ready to bridge emotional distances. However, it's essential to analyze the environment and her overall behavior to correctly interpret her body language. Identifying this positive attitude, along with other signs of interest, can give you a deeper understanding of her real emotions. Signal number 9. Chooses to sit close to you. The fact that she prefers to sit near you consistently can be a clear indication of her interest. This deliberate choice of proximity, whether in the workplace, academic settings, or social gatherings, goes beyond mere coincidence and reveals an explicit desire to share your space. If you notice that she frequently seeks to sit near where you are, it's tangible evidence of her attraction. This physical closeness provides her with the opportunity to interact more with you, engage in conversations, and share moments together. Although this proximity alone does not definitively confirm romantic interest, if it manifests repeatedly in different contexts, it indicates a particular fondness for your presence and could suggest stronger feelings towards you. Paying attention to this behavior can give you important clues about how she feels about you. When a woman subtly compliments you, she is sending delicate signals of her interest without openly revealing her emotions. These forms of covert praise come through observations that highlight admirable qualities of yours, such as your work dedication, personal style, or ability to make her laugh. These disguised compliments are her way of showing appreciation, without moving towards an explicit declaration of attraction. Although these comments may go unnoticed without proper attention, they are a clear indication that she is seeking to establish a positive connection with you. Paying attention to her words and analyzing the underlying meaning can give you important clues about her feelings and her interest in deepening the bond. Furthermore, it's essential to note that these indirect compliments demonstrate her genuine interest in getting to know you on a more personal level and forging an emotional connection. By valuing and responding to these gestures, you can enhance communication and the bond between both of you, opening the door to the evolution of a relationship with deeper feelings. If you identify several of these signals in her behavior, it could be the ideal time to consider the possibility of deepening the relationship. If this content has provided value to you as a man, I invite you to give this video a like. This way, you help me to continue creating more content like this. Until next time.